Hi, today I'm going to share our top 5 tips for using your Blimey Box game kit. Okay, tip number 1 is don't let your kids just play with the locks after they've played a game, because that is a really easy way for the locks to get reset accidentally, and we don't want that to happen. So print out the lock map, and as they unlock a lock, have them set it down on the lock map. Okay, tip number 2 is reset all the locks back to 0 after each game. This is really helpful because we don't want you to forget what the lock combinations were, so after the game, just take all the locks and reset them back to 0. This will also have the added benefit of helping you get really fast at resetting the locks. Tip number 3 to help you be successful with your Blimey Box game kit is be the guide for your child. Don't help them or show them how to answer a question. Let them problem solve, figure it out. You can ask guiding questions, but don't show them what to do. Remember, grit is the goal and perseverance, and we want them to be the problem solvers. Okay, tip number 4, use our games consistently. We recommend using and playing a Blimey Box game at least twice per week to really notice significant results in your child's learning. If you are playing the games regularly, you are going to notice your kid getting a lot smarter. Awesome. And our final tip number 5, is to actually have your child replay difficult games. Now, all of our games are set up that they are scaffolded and they build on each other. However, sometimes we notice with our son, we'll give him a game that maybe he played a couple months ago and see, hey, does he still remember how to solve all those puzzles? And it acts as a spiral review, almost like a little assessment check to see, is he remembering what he learned and is he able to apply it again? All right, I hope these 5 tips were super helpful and that they help you to be really successful with your child and playing our Blimey Box games.